This boat is a Sea Ray 250 SDX. This is the outboard version with 300 horsepower. This model has a head compartment with a small bunk and a pump out head included. The boat has the premier stereo upgrade and the blue LED lighting package with blue underwater lights and docking lights. There's a bow filler cushion and a table for the bow compartment. The boat is powered by the Merc 300 horsepower Verado with a digital dash and Merc vessel view. As you will see, it has a SeaDek on the swim platform and a Bimini top with black fabric. There's also a cockpit cover along with a cover for the bow compartment.